Welcome back everyone to our last selection video on faces. Now, I'll be the first to admit there's not a lot to cover here because really we've pretty much covered everything looking at edges and vertex selections. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of my cube here and Shift A and bring in a sphere. And we will tab into edit mode and deselect everything. So this works the same way as everything else. We can right click to select. Oh, screwing up. First of all, we have to get into faces mode. So we're going to control tab, select faces, and we can right click to select. We can hold shift and make multiple selections. And here's something you don't always think of in faces. If we go to the left or right and or top or bottom of a face and hold Alt like we did before, we can do ring selections. So that's pretty nice and pretty handy without having to hop into a different mode to get what we want. And of course, we hold Alt Shift, we can add multiple selections to that. So that's pretty nifty stuff. I just wanted to throw this video separately just to remind you that there are some things in there that you can do. We can also, for instance, just like we learned before, we can select one and using Control, just choose things in between. And sometimes, like say I want a window here, Blender's going to do its best to figure that out. So just a short little video covering faces. Really, if you've pounded home how to do all this stuff in vertex and edge selection, you should be very comfortable right now. So we're not going to do any quizzing. I just wanted to throw out there that some of the stuff that works in vertex or edge that maybe you wouldn't expect to work with faces also does in Blender. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.